Hey guys, and welcome to day 10 of the 12 Days of Christmas Crafting series. Today I've got this mini little Tart tin. I found a little stack of them at the bins one day. These are not old, but they're still cool to craft with. I'm going to start. I've got this small little round wood piece that came off the bottom of a mini bottle brush tree. And I'm giving it a coat of paint in the Folkart chalk paint in the Cottage white. I'm so sorry, y'all. I've got this flu and my brain is just not functioning. So I'm going to try to do my best in this voiceover. So the reason I'm giving this a little coat of paint is because I've got this little deer here. I bought a pack of these at Hobby Lobby. And when I put it in the tin, its front leg is up a little bit just because it's, a circle. So I'm just going to glue that down to the tin to help the deer look more steady. Now I've got some scrapbook paper here and I'm just pressing it down to indent it to see where I need to cut. And I am going to glue that to the back of the tin for our backdrop. And to glue it down, I'm just using my Type Bond Thick and Quick glue. And I'm just going to take a popsicle stick and just smear that all over the back. Okay, now that I've got my background in, I'm going to take and glue in my little deer. They are so cute. Like I said, they came in a pack of 2 at Hobby Lobby. The pack was $3.99, but it's half price, so you're only paying $2 for the pack of 2, $1 a piece. Not too bad. So after that, I've got some little mini bottle brush trees, and I'm just going to glue those on each side of the deer. Now, once I got my bottle brush trees down, I'm going at the bottom of the tin underneath the trees and the deer, and I'm just filling it in with hot glue and I'm gonna let it dry. This is gonna help hold the snow that I'm gonna add to the bottom in a later step. Now to add around the circle of the tin, I've got these uh like greenery. They're kind of like pipe cleaners. And I'm just going to hot glue it around the edges of the inside of the tart tin. I'm then going to go in and add some pit berries from a little vine that I've gotten. Um, it came from Hobby Lobby originally, but I actually found it at the bins one day. I found a lot of craft supplies at the bins, brand new, never been opened. It's really strange to me that people will donate brand new items that they never used, but I guess if you buy something and it's been sitting around a while, you don't want to save it. So after that, I'm just straightening up my little workspace and I'm going in with this Snow-Tex. This really looks like snow. It gives the look of the real thing. And I'm going in first where I put down that hot glue at the bottom. And I'm just kind of like dabbing it on there and putting some on the trees. And I'm gonna put some on the greenery that I put around and the pit berries to make this look like a snowy scenery. Now to create a hanging, I didn't want to drill into it. So I've got this red velvet ribbon and I'm just gonna hot glue it to the back. And here's how our little tin tart ornament turned out. I think it's so cute. I love the little deer and the pit berries. You guys leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I can't believe tomorrow will be on day 11 of our 12 Days of Christmas Crafting series. So I'll see you then. Bye.